I mean, that's good advice. Cause right now, and kind of what I'm hearing you saying is like, let's go back to the fundamentals and make sure all the fundamentals are solid, right? Using your head is making sure the numbers are going to work, making sure the business is going to be there, making sure you're signing on a good lease, making sure once you have that store, you're really taking care of it and running it professionally, all that stuff. It sounds like, hey, take care of the fundamentals and the fundamentals will take care of you.
Ooh, I like that. That's perfect.
Ah, God,
Well, it's true though,
fundamentals.
because everything's just gotten so expensive. Like your numbers, you have to cover, a lot bigger of a number now. We were talking about, remember we were talking about like Venn prices. Venn prices 15 years ago versus Venn prices now.
Yeah.
Machine cost 15 years ago versus machine cost now, right? Like
Yeah.
It just doesn't line
it
up.
doesn't line up, And then you were paying people back then $8 an hour. Now, like Connecticut's gone $1 an hour every year since 2011. So, 50% increase on wages, 50% increase on workers' comp. So you got to make sure you're operating at a high level, because the bills are coming fast and furious, and they're coming whether you're making money or not. So it's just so important to do your homework, and reach out to somebody. Reach out to somebody that can guide you. If you're a first-time buyer, reach out to somebody that can guide you through the lease process. A lot of people get stumbled up in leases, and don't pay attention to the escalators. They like that shiny number at year one, but then they're 5, 8, 10 years in, that number's, multiplying, and nothing else is getting cheaper. So, yeah, just, I know a lot of first-time buyers watch your podcast, so it's important to grab somebody that's in the business to help guide you. It's money well spent. That's for sure.